What's going on, everybody? My name is LBThaRealist with Surrealistic Studios, Surreal News, Surreal at Night, where the real is surreal. And it gets most surreal, folks. So, Texas governor, I believe his name is Greg Abbott, if I'm not mistaken, he signed a bill, I believe it was May 19th earlier this year, called the Heartbeat Bill. And in this bill, they effectively outlaw abortions for women who are already 6 weeks and above. And the problem with this law, there's two things wrong with this. Let me see if I counted correctly. The first thing that's wrong with this law, obviously, is they don't give a woman the right to choose their own path. They make it so that they effectively ban all abortions because a lot of women don't even know that they're pregnant until after that 6-week mark anyways. You know, it takes them a while to even realize they're pregnant because they have to miss their first period. So there's the first problem with that. The second problem lies in they effectively deputize regular citizens, and they enable them with the authority to sue individuals who are suspected of aiding and abetting an individual in getting an abortion. They can't sue the actual individual. They can't sue the woman or the girl that's getting the abortion. But they could sue the Uber driver, the Lyft driver, the taxi driver, whoever drove them to the hospital or to the clinic in order to get that abortion. They can sue the doctor who performed it, the nurses who helped, anybody who aided and abetted in an abortion. So that's the second thing wrong with this bill, is they actually incentivize private citizens to bring up legal cases against these people who aid and abet abortions. That sets a very ugly precedence. That is crazy. That's insane. So literally somebody, like, I'm in California. I could literally be in California and suspect, not know for certain, but suspect that somebody is aiding and abetting an abortion in Texas, in the state of Texas, not where I am, but the state of Texas. And if I win that lawsuit, I could get $10,000 plus all of my legal fees covered. If I lose that lawsuit because I suspected, but I was wrong and I lost the lawsuit, I don't have to pay anything. It gets more surreal, folks. This world that we're living in, this country that we're living in is crazy. It's crazy. The fact that they're even going there, and a lot of other states now are talking about bringing up their own laws similar to the one in Texas now, because the Supreme Court is actually they're the ones that actually came out and ruled that the law could stay in place. And this just happened recently. So the law was, it was signed by Greg Abbott in May of earlier this year, but the Supreme Court actually upheld that law recently. So that's why it's been in the news lately. And now they're going to use this in order to effectively ban abortions in other states around the country. So this is horrible. I mean, I feel for a lot of these women and these girls out here who have to deal with this nonsense of a man telling them that they can't get an abortion, even if they were, raped by their brother, their father, their uncle, whatever, cousin. If it's a rape baby or an incest baby, they're forced to have that baby. They want them to have that baby anyways, even though it's in those, it happened in that way. And that's absolutely disgusting. That's crazy. They're forced to have rape babies. Now, they're calling this bill the Heartbeat Bill because at 6 weeks they're saying that they can actually detect a heartbeat. But really, it's not a heartbeat. It's just electrical activity. So they're calling it a heartbeat, but it's not actually a heartbeat. But at the same time, when you go to the doctor, I guess that's what they call it. They call it the baby's heartbeat, even though it's not technically a heartbeat. So anyways, there's a lot of semantics involved with this. There's a lot of wordplay. But the basic gist of it is that they're effectively banning abortions in Texas for women. It's already been working. A lot of doctors are already they're denying, and a lot of the cases are not coming up anymore because of this new law. A lot of women are calling in and they're crying. They don't know what to do. There's one case about one woman who actually had COVID-19, But because she had COVID-19, she had to wait until after she got rid of the virus before she was able to get the abortion. And it's after the 6 weeks at that point, because she had to wait because of the virus. So it's just a very ugly situation. There's a lot of red tape involved. There's a lot of nonsense going around. And I feel for these women. And now they're deputizing regular citizens. They want regular citizens to sue not the individual getting the abortion, but people around the individual who supposedly aided and abetting them getting the abortion. I mean, how monstrous can you be? Ridiculous, folks. Ridiculous. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this video, share, and subscribe so we can hit that YouTube algorithm, folks. You know what I'm saying? Show love to a young YouTuber, a small YouTube show. Not only YouTube, but I'm also on Rumble. So follow me on Rumble. Give me a Rumble over there as I try to build my following over there. Find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. I'm usually everywhere except for like Twitch and a couple of other sites like Rockfin, because Rockfin denied me. They don't want me on Rockfin. Apparently, my audience isn't established enough. So, with all that being said, folks, love, peace, and light. Until next time, do something kind, rewind, and I catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.